falling asleep can be difficult, especially if you are stressed, anxious, or uncomfortable. But there is a natural sleep aid that's easy and accessible to everyone: exercise. Today, let me show you 3 simple exercises you can try to sleep better. Let's do it together. The first exercise that I'll show is toe tapping. First, comfortably sit on the floor. Stretch your legs out in front of you. Put your hands behind and lean back. Put your heels together. Simply tap your toes. Strike your big toes together, not too hard and not too gently. Find your own rhythm. If you are just looking at me without actually doing it, you might be thinking, is it really an exercise? However, you will know this is quite an exercise once you do it. When you tap your toes, it will increase the energy circulation in the lower body. When you bring the energy down to your feet, it can help you overcome insomnia, quiet the mind, and get a deeper night's sleep. With this simple movement, you will feel your thighs stimulated so much. If you do it for the first time, try to do 120 repetitions, which you might find hard to do from the beginning. If that is the case, you can take short breaks. It takes a little bit of getting used to doing it. As you do it every day or every night, you can do it 300 to 500 times. Gently smile and keep tapping your toes. The energy will go down to your feet and shins and thighs, and you will feel relaxed, and you will feel a little bit of power around your lower body. After doing it sitting, you can also do this lying down. First, relax your body as much as possible and straighten your spine. And put your heels together and tap your big toes. As you keep moving your legs and feet, you activate overall circulation in your lower body. Lots of people in this busy society find it hard to fully relax, even when they are asleep, not to mention when they are awake. You can also try to make a fist and release. So in this way, you are activating the circulation of the blood and energy to your feet and to your hands. So by tapping your toes, you can let go of your thoughts and emotions and circulate blood and energy more, which will help you relax your body and mind. As you tap your toes, you will feel the muscles around your inner thighs. With a rhythmical and repetitive movement, your body will be ready for relaxation and deep sleep. Relax your upper body as much as possible and feel more your lower body. Put a gentle smile on your face and try to enjoy this exercise. Feel your body. You are making your lower body the foundation of our body so much healthier. The energy and the blood circulation is activated all the way down to your calves and your ankles and your feet and your toes. Stop and feel your body. Feel the electric and magnetic energy and vibration all around your body. This will make your body and mind relaxed. Now let's do the rolling back exercise. First, sit up and put your soles on the floor. Hug your knees and intertwine your fingers over your shins. This exercise will stimulate muscles around your spine, so it will help you keep balance in your body. It might look easy, but it takes the power of your core. As you do it, you will feel warmth in your body. It will help you strengthen your core and lose the unwanted weight around your belly. If you spend a long time with your smartphones or computer, your posture can easily be compromised, which will give lots of pressure to your neck and spine. In this case, the acupressure points on your back along your spine can easily be blocked. With this simple rolling back exercise, you are opening up the acupressure points. If this is too hard, you can also lock your fingers under your knees. As you do this rolling back exercise, you will naturally get your spine massaged. So it is a wonderful exercise to align your spine and correct your posture. After you do this exercise, now it is time for relaxation with breath work. Let's focus on the lower belly and do diaphragmatic breathing. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. Your hand on the chest doesn't move, but the one on the belly moves. As you breathe in and breathe out, your hand on the belly goes up and comes down. Try to exhale longer than inhale. As you exhale, your parasympathetic nervous system will get activated, so you can rest and relax more. Breathe in and breathe out. If you breathe in for 4 seconds, breathe out for 6 or 8 seconds. You can try to breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Deeply relax your body more and more. Feel the energy. You are doing relaxed concentration. You can do it by feeling the energy. When you feel your breathing become stabilized, you can put both hands on your belly. Imagine that you are sleeping in your lower belly. Feel the energy in your lower belly. That is where the center of our physical energy is located. Keep breathing in and breathing out. As you keep doing this, you can feel an energy ball in your lower belly. In the morning, you can wake up with a fresh body and mind, and you can welcome the morning. You did a great job. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any video. And please share this video with anybody who will enjoy it. Thank you so much.